Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now by locking in the essentials so practice transfers to matches. Equip the Vandal, pick a consistent DPI, and set 1/2 sensitivity as a baseline. This gives predictable recoil feel. Calibrate your crosshair to a tight gap with an optional center dot. Once done, run a short warm-up, 10 minutes of flick targets, then 10 minutes of slow tracking. This primes muscle memory and builds confidence. Make sure to record settings. Consistency is the backbone of mastering aim. You now refine recoil patterns and movement interplay to turn raw aim into consistent hits. Study the Vandal's 4 to 6 bullet vertical drift and pull your crosshair down slightly to match. This reduces long sprays to controlled bursts. Once done, practice counter-strafing, tap opposite movement to stop instantly and fire accurately. Also, work mid to long range with 40 to 60 meter bursts so your muscle memory learns the required micro adjustments. Make sure to vary pace so you can adapt under pressure. You finish by transferring drills into real games and closing the loop with review. Use the Vandal for entry frag or post-plant rolls and prioritize crosshair placement over raw flicks. This maximizes first shot wins. Once done, record 5 rounds and review mistakes. Look for late crosshair corrections and mistimed strafes. If your aim is inconsistent, lower sensitivity by 5 to 10% and repeat your warm-ups until tracking stabilizes. Make sure to iterate. Small adjustments compound into reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.